Namaste friend, welcome to Kaydanivato. We have already covered some powerful chapters so far, from arrest to public duties. Today we move to chapter 6 of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, process to compel appearance. So let's understand how the courts and police make sure that accused and witnesses compelled to appearance before the court when they are required during the trial. So let's begin this chapter. Chapter 6 includes section 63 to 93. This chapter explains the legal tools available to courts to summons or bring people before them when required, especially in criminal cases. The law mainly use three methods: summons, warrants, proclamation and attachment. These are the three methods which the courts mainly uses: summons, warrants and proclamation and attachment. Part 1, summons. Section 63, from form of summons. A summons is a written order by a court asking a person to appear at a specific date in time. Section 64, how to serve a summon. Summon must be delivered personally or to a family member if the person is not available. Section 65, summons to cooperate the bodies. If the person is a company or firm, summons can be sent by the registered post, email or delivered at office. Section 66, service outside the jurisdiction. A court can send a summons to anywhere in India, even outside its local limits. So this was the part 1 of this chapter, and now we move to part 2, warrants of arrest. Section 68, when warrant is issued. If a person ignores the summons or cannot be found, the court can issue a warrant of arrest. Section 69, form of warrant. The warrant must be in writing, signed by the magistrate and clearly state the person's name and offense. Section 70, how warrants is executed. Police execute the warrant by arresting the person and bringing them before the court. Section 72, warrant outside the jurisdiction. Warrant can be sent to another district if the accused is outside the local area. So that was the part 2, warrant, and now we come to the part 3, proclamation and attachment. If the accused is absconding or hiding, the court uses stronger measures. Section 84. In case of accused is absconding or hiding, the court uses the strong measures which defined in section 84, proclamation for absconder. If the person does not respond to summons or warrant, the court can declare them as a proclaimed offender. And notice is published in newspapers and posted at their last known addresses. Section 85, attachment of property. After declaring someone a proclamation offender, the court can seize their property, movable or immovable. This is done to pressure the accused to surrender. So this is the method which adopted by the court when the offender could not present before the court by any way. Additional provisions, section 88, release on bond. After arrest on a warrant, the court may release the person on bond to ensure future appearance. Section 90, bond for witnesses. Even witnesses can be asked to give a bond to make sure that they attend the court and give testimony. So now we move the summary of this chapter. Compelling Appearance, BNSS chapter 6. This is the summary of the chapter. Method used for and tool used. Method: summons, to call someone to appear voluntarily. Tool use: written notice. Warrant: if summons ignored or accused missing, police arrest. Proclamation: if person absconding, public notice. Property attachment: if proclaimed offender doesn't appear, seizing assess. In the next video, we will explore the chapter 7, process to compel the production and things, which all about documents, evidences and searches. If you found this video and this series useful, do like, share this video with your groups, and do not forget to subscribe this channel. We will meet soon in next video with chapter 7. Till then, bye, take care, Jai Hind, and stay connected with Kaydanivato.